Now the second experiment for you is construction of regular pentagon using the chain and tape. Using chain and tape we will construct the pentagon, which is each is of 5 meter side as shown to you in this diagram, with center accessible is the thing. See, when you have a very nice ground, very flat ground, and you want to construct a pentagon, now you have a building of a pentagon shape and the ground is very flat. Now how will you get the angles of this pentagon without using any compost? You have only chain and tape and you have to make the pentagon. How we will do that is the next question. For that we will do some geometrical calculations. You are all aware. First we will erect the baseline AB, which is 5 meter. Now from A we will take this sine rule. You know this geometrical equation, 2n minus 4 into 90 equals 540. When n is 5, n is your number of sides. Pentagon is having 5 sides, so n is 5. Find out the included angle, 545 by 5. You will get the included angle as 508. Now we will apply the sine rule for this diagram. OA divided by sine 54 is equal to AB divided by sine of angle AOB, which is equal to OB divided by sine 54. See, 108 means half of 188 is 54. Now with this sine rule we will find out the distance OA and OB, which we will get it as 4.25. So OA is 4.25, OB is 4.25. Now this is one right angle triangle. We will use our Pythagoras theorem. OH square is equal to OA square minus AH square. When we apply this we will get OH. OH we will get it as 3.44. So we will make all these calculations in the classroom first, then we will come to field. In the field what we will do, we will put the baseline AB using the chain or tape of 5 meters. We will erect a arrow here. We will put the arrow. Now we will take the arrow with the help of tape of 4.25. We will put an arc here like this. We will put a arc. We will go to B, same 4.25. We will put an arc. This arc cuts at a point, that is your point O. If you measure, if everything is correct, this should be 5 meter, this should be 4.25, this should be 4.25. Then automatically you will take 4.25 in the tape and we will put a arc using the arrow. From B again we will measure 4.25 with the tape, we will put a arc. These two arc will meet at a point, we call it as O. If everything is correct, you have used your chain tape properly, then you should get AO as 4.25, OB as 4.25. With this you will establish the point O, that is the center of the pentagon. Once you establish this properly, you should be very careful in establishing this on the ground carefully. If you do this, then erecting these points won't be difficult. Now we will do this in the field and see. Okay. Now we will first locate some arbitrary point and call this as A. This is our arbitrary station. This station is called A. From here we will establish the baseline of 5 meters. So the 5 meter runs up to here. This is the next is you have to stand with the ranging rod. A person has to stand with the ranging rod. A person at A has to range this, a person at B. And so this ranging once is done, then we will put an arrow and mark this as station. So we will establish the baseline AB, which is 5 meter. Now next what we have to do, we have to get this point O, that is the center point of the pentagon. For locating the center point, I showed you how we have to do the calculation. O to A is 4.25. So taking an arrow, take 4.25 and put an arc. As you do in your geometry class, put an arc here. So 4.25, put an arc from station A. So that is your station A. We will put an arc. Next, coming to station B. From station B, again we will put an arc at 4.25. So we will again put an arc from station B for 4.25. With that, we will get the center point O, and we will locate this, and this is called our center point O. Important, this has to be done very precisely. Now from B station again we will put an arc for 4.25. Now this is your point O. This is your point AB. So in the baseline, the midpoint is H. Now your O to H should be how much? We did the calculation. It should be around 3.44. When you measure, if everything you have done properly, your chain, tape, everything you have done, then you will get O to H. This is your H. That is your center point O. O to H, you should get it as. Then you have used it. If you have done it properly, here you can see I am getting 3.44 exactly I am getting. That means we have used our chain tapes properly and we are getting this. If you don't use it properly, you will get some error. Now from station B, so this is your station B. So again with station B, we will put the arc for 4.25. From station B, this is your, let us say this is your some station C. For 5 meters, for 5 meters. Then again from midpoint, that is O point, the distance is 4.25 meters. From point O, we'll put the arc with 4.25 meters like this, and we will get the point. So this is called point C. So likewise, what we have to do is, again this is your C. From C, again we will go to D. C to D is 5 meter. We will put an arc at 5 meter. Again with the center point O, we will take 4.25. We will get the center point. We will get this point D. If you see here, the arcs have been put very beautifully. This is your point C, sorry D. This is the point D. The arcs have been put and you will get point D. Similarly from D, we will put point E there. Same, D to E will be 5 meters, and again from the center point will be 4.25 meters. We will get the point E. Now the next thing is A, you would have already established the point E you have got. Now if you take your tape and measure A to E, the distance should be how much? 5 meters. If everything is correct, the usage of chain and tape is correct, your A to E should come 5 meters. That is your checkpoint. That is how you have to check whether you have done your pentagon shape, you have drawn properly or not on field. We will check like that. Now we will measure it. When we measure using the tape from A to E, I am getting I should get 5 meters, but I am getting short. I am getting 4.98 meters. That means there is a shortfall of 20 centimeters. 4 centimeters. There is a shortfall of 2 centimeters. So somewhere our usage of chain and tape may be not correct, or the chain may be an old one, worn out one, or the tape may be worn out. So those errors you will get. So I am getting error of 2 centimeters. So using this method, we will construct the pentagon with chain and tape. This is your experiment number